Cachorro sonríe mientras la rescatan.
She could not believe that there are humans that saved their life. She was very young puppy. Nobody knows what happened to her. But I really believe that she was abandoned there. The Baldi dog rescue posted her story on Instagram asking somebody to help adopt her. I felt a connection with this little creature. I spoke to my husband and it makes sense to have her in our family. And so we decided to adopt her. When Mia arrived at home, we immediately felt something changed. Mia started to get more confident, more energetic. She's just a puppy still, and she wants to play with everybody 24/7, including my cat, Dino. Dino was not used to a dog. And she keeps on pestering Dino, because she wants to be best friends. One of her favorite ways to pester Dino is to pull her tail. When Dino turns, she's like looking in the air, like to me. Mia wants to be close to him all the time, but Dino didn't want to give her any attention. Dino is already an adult cat, so he wants to play when he wants. It's really a kind of relationship where Dino is teaching her manners. The manners that he had felt. After 1 month, it was great to see that he was really okay with her. Now, Dino is protected with Mia. We changed a lot of things with Mia. She has added so much love and laughter. The Baldi dog rescue have done something fantastic in a challenging environment. And we are so grateful for the amazing job they are doing. We have so much admiration for them. And it's so special because now she's a great life.